To Yardstyle live.
In the dancing world, right now, Zine, that a your world, do you think the torch is being passed down from Bogle straight down to you now? You think you...
No. And fans can say it, you know, but Pata Skeng now just accept it so. Because guess you know, we have a whole heap of work for put in. You understand? So, what we are do, we not just want the dancing stop right out of one part. We want to lift the culture to a different levels.
True.
Because guess what you know? Dancehall not just help Pata Skeng alone. Me I get emotional now. Dancehall help people sell cigarette. Dancehall help people sell soup. Dancehall help, bro.
The list goes on and on. The tail of everybody, it connected.
So, it's a body of people. You understand what I say? So, and I like say, we all heap of people say, Pata Skeng, you're great, but me know you know, but me no don't want
You don't want to get
feel
there
like
today.
some reach. Because guess what you know? Me they say I do the interview, you know. See the house on the hill there, and now me no buy mama party, so me no want to feel like some reach.
Just
So,
so rich, man. Just go and skank.
me no have a problem, but just tell you say, me no reach.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.